In this set of lessons, I'll be teaching you the most important particles in Korean language. Sometimes they are called case markers, sometimes particles, but we are not going into those details. If you don't understand the usage of these particles, it would be very difficult to pass the topic test. So you should go through these videos and make sure that you understand all these basic concepts. The first set of particles that we have are un, nin, and iga. Un and nin are topic particles, and I and ga are subject particles. Now you will ask, what is the difference between topic and subject? This is something that most of the Korean teachers find very difficult to explain. The difference between the usage of un, nin, and iga. And this is beyond the scope of this course to explain you these minute differences. So I will just say that they are almost same. In most of the situations, un and nin can be replaced with I and ga, and I and ga can be replaced with un, nin. So you don't have to worry about that. For example, in this sentence, 이것은 책입니다. This is a book. But you can also say 이것이 책입니다. And they are both fine. 저는 학생입니다. I am a student. 제가 학생입니다. 제가 학생이에요. Both are fine. No problem at all. So, in most of the situations, they are very similar. Now, you must be understanding the difference between un and nin. When the previous word has a final consonant, un is used. When there is no final consonant, nin is used. Similarly with I and ga, when there is a final consonant, I will be used. Otherwise, ga will be used. So, 이것이, because this shiot final consonant is there in the 받침 position. Here there is no consonant in the 받침 position, so we have used ga. Now there are some situations where only I and ga are used. And one of those situations is when we use verb to be in negative sentences, like is not, am not, are not. So for example, this sentence, 이것은 사과가 아닙니다. This is not an apple. Okay, in this case, 아닙니다 will always be preceded by I or ga. So the noun will always have I or ga when it is used with 아닙니다. So 사과가 아닙니다. 책이 아닙니다. Also when we use 있어요 or 없어요. 있어요 and 없어요 means to have or not to have, or to exist or not to exist. So with 있어요 and 없어요 also, we always used I and ga. Like 펜이 있어요, do you have a pen? In a spoken language, sometimes people drop these particles. They can just say 펜 있어요, that is fine. But when you write, you must use the particles. So 펜이 있어요, 내일은 시간이 없어요. Tomorrow I don't have time. So you always use I or ga before 있어요 and 없어요.